Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Discover Chicken Inasal, a flavorful Filipino grilled delight. Chicken Inasal is more than just a dish, it's a culinary experience that captures the essence of Filipino culture. Hailing from the vibrant region of Negros, this grilled chicken specialty is marinated in a blend of local ingredients that bring out bold flavors and aromas. It's grilled to perfection, often served with a side of garlic rice and a tangy dipping sauce, making it a favorite among locals and visitors alike. In this video, we'll explore the unique taste of Chicken Inasal, its cultural significance, and how you can recreate this delicious dish at home. Whether you're a seasoned cook or new to the kitchen, you'll find tips and a recipe that'll help you bring a piece of the Philippines to your table. Ready to fire up the grill? Let's dive in. Origins of Chicken Inasal. Chicken Inasal is deeply rooted in the culture and traditions of the Philippines, particularly in the heart of the Visayas region. To truly appreciate this flavorful dish, it's essential to understand its cultural significance and the journey it has taken through time. Cultural background. Bacolod, the capital city of Negros Occidental, is often celebrated as the birthplace of Chicken Inasal. The culture of Bacolod is vibrant, with influences from both indigenous traditions and Spanish colonization. Local cooking methods often involved grilling over an open flame, a practice that has long been enjoyed in Filipino households. Inasal, meaning grilled in Hiligaynon, reflects the cooking style that has its origins in the communal aspect of Filipino cuisine. Families would gather around, sharing stories and meals, making the act of cooking as important as the food itself. The use of ingredients like lemongrass, ginger, and Calamansi not only adds unique flavors but also showcases the abundance of local produce. This dish embodies the spirit of togetherness, making it a staple at celebrations and gatherings. Evolution of the recipe. Over the years, Chicken Inasal has evolved while retaining its traditional roots. Originally, the dish featured simple marination with vinegar, garlic, and soy sauce. However, as it gained popularity, culinary innovations began to surface. Today, you may find variations that include additional spices and condiments, adapting to modern palates while preserving the original essence. Some restaurants even incorporate local twists, using different marinades or techniques. The rise of food tourism has brought Chicken Inasal to a wider audience, helping it transition from a local dish to a culinary icon of Filipino cuisine. The dish now enjoys recognition beyond the Philippines, often featured in international food festivals and restaurants. Despite these changes, the heart of Chicken Inasal remains. It continues to be a symbol of hospitality and flavor, uniting people over good food. The journey of Chicken Inasal reflects not just a dish, but a shared experience, one that visitors and locals savor together, one grilled chicken at a time. Ingredients and preparation. When you think about Chicken Inasal, the first thing that comes to mind is its rich flavor profile. The unique taste comes from a combination of fresh ingredients and spices. Understanding these components is essential for creating a delicious version of this popular dish. Key ingredients. To make Chicken Inasal, you'll need the following key ingredients. Chicken. The star of the dish is typically bone-in chicken parts, like thighs or drumsticks. These cuts remain juicy and absorb the marinade well, ensuring tender and flavorful meat. Vinegar. Traditional Inasal utilizes cane vinegar, which provides the perfect tangy kick. It helps tenderize the chicken while adding depth to the flavor. Soy sauce adds saltiness and boosts the umami factor of the dish. A dark soy sauce creates a nice color on the grilled chicken. Garlic. Fresh garlic cloves should be minced. Garlic delivers a robust flavor that complements the chicken beautifully. Ginger. Minced ginger adds warmth and spice, enhancing the overall aroma of the dish. Lemongrass. This brings a fresh, citrusy flavor. Use the tender part of the stalk, finely chopped for maximum infusion. Calamansi juice. This local citrus fruit's juice adds a zesty kick. Its tartness balances the richness of the chicken and marinade. Spices. Commonly included spices are black pepper, salt, and annatto powder, which adds color and an earthy taste. When combined, these ingredients create a marinade that transforms your chicken into something truly special. Preparation process. Getting ready to grill chicken inasal is as exciting as the final product. Here's a step-by-step guide to prepare it. Prepare the marinade. In a bowl, combine vinegar, soy sauce, minced garlic, minced ginger, chopped lemongrass, calamansi juice, and the spices. Mix well to create a harmonious blend. Marinate the chicken. Place the chicken pieces in a resealable bag or a shallow dish. Pour the marinade over the chicken, ensuring each piece is evenly coated. Seal the bag or cover the dish with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, preferably overnight. This allows the flavors to penetrate deeply into the meat. Prepare the grill. Preheat your grill to medium heat. If using charcoal, ensure the coals are glowing red. Oil the grill grates lightly to prevent sticking. Grill the chicken. Remove the chicken from the marinade, letting any excess drip off. Place the pieces on the grill. Cook for about 15 to 20 minutes on each side, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 75 degrees Celsius. Baste the chicken occasionally with leftover marinade for extra flavor and moisture. Finishing touches. As the chicken cooks, watch for charred bits forming. These crispy edges add a delightful texture. Serve hot. Once grilled, remove the chicken from the grill and let it rest for a few minutes. Serve with garlic rice and an optional dipping sauce for a complete experience. With these steps, you'll be on your way to serving an authentic dish that brings the flavors of the Philippines right to your home. Are you excited to taste your creation? Cooking techniques. Cooking chicken inasal requires specific techniques that enhance its iconic flavor. Let's take a look at effective grilling and basting methods that bring this dish to life. Grilling methods. Grilling is the heart of preparing chicken inasal, and choosing the right method can significantly affect the flavor. Traditional charcoal grilling remains popular among enthusiasts for a reason. The direct heat from the charcoal imparts a smoky flavor that blends beautifully with the marinated chicken. The process not only cooks the meat but also caramelizes the sugars in the marinade, creating a crispy crust. On the other hand, modern techniques like gas grilling offer convenience and control over cooking temperature. While gas grills can heat up faster, they often lack the rich smoky aroma and char achieved with charcoal. To bridge the flavor gap, consider adding wood chips to your gas grill for a taste reminiscent of charcoal cooking. Both methods have their own qualities, but the essential point is maintaining consistent heat. Position the chicken away from direct flames if you want slow, even cooking, or place it directly over high heat for that signature sear. Each flip releases drippings that enhance the taste, so be attentive. Adequate time on the grill allows you to savor every bite of this Filipino classic, ensuring both taste and texture truly shine. Basting techniques. Basting is not just a step, it is a game changer for chicken inasal's flavor profile. Frequent basting during grilling keeps the chicken moist while layering additional flavor. As the chicken cooks, the heat draws the marinade toward the surface, where it caramelizes into a tantalizing glaze. Using a brush or ladle, apply the marinade to the chicken every few minutes. This method serves multiple purposes. First, it adds moisture, making the chicken succulent and tender. Second, it intensifies the flavor, allowing the marinade's distinct notes, garlic, ginger, and calamansi, to penetrate the meat with every application. If you're worried about food safety, reserve some marinade before marinating the chicken. This reserved mix can be reheated and used for basting without any concern. Experiment with timing. Closer to the end of the cooking process is ideal for a beautifully lacquered finish. By prioritizing basting, you'll ensure that each piece of chicken inasal is bursting with flavor and stays wonderfully juicy. Regional variations. Chicken inasal is not just one dish. It reflects diverse culinary practices across various regions of the Philippines. Each area adds its own flair and twist to this beloved grilled chicken, ensuring there's always something new to discover. Let's explore how chicken inasal shows its unique personality in different regions. Visayas style. The authentic Visayas style of chicken inasal originates from the heart of the Visayas, particularly Negros Occidental. What sets this version apart is its pure focus on fresh and local ingredients that unleash vibrant flavors. The marinade typically incorporates cane vinegar, soy sauce, garlic, ginger, lemongrass, and calamansi juice. This blend creates a perfectly balanced tanginess that permeates the chicken, giving it a distinct taste. When you enjoy traditional Visayan chicken inasal, you'll notice how each region's nuances come through in the grilling method. The locals often use charcoal, which provides a smokiness that enhances the overall flavor. Basting with leftover marinade becomes an essential step, allowing the chicken to soak up even more deliciousness. When served, it's usually accompanied by garlic rice and a side of spicy vinegar dipping sauce. The experience of authentic Visayan chicken inasal transports you directly to the lively streets of Bacolod, where the aroma of grilled chicken fills the air. Modern twists. In recent years, chicken inasal has evolved beyond its traditional roots. Many chefs and home cooks are experimenting with modern twists that incorporate diverse influences. Imagine adding a tangy mango salsa or a spicy chili aioli as a topping. These adaptations reflect the changing tastes of food lovers everywhere. Additionally, some restaurants offer a fusion style, blending chicken inasal with international flavors. Think of garlic butter or herb marinades that take the classic recipe in new directions. Even the side dishes can vary widely. Instead of garlic rice, you might see it paired with quinoa salads or even Asian noodle dishes. These contemporary interpretations breathe new life into chicken inasal, making it appealing to both traditionalists and those seeking fresh twists. Exploring the variations of chicken inasal is a delightful culinary journey. Each region and each modern interpretation showcases the adaptability and flavor of this iconic Filipino dish. The ability to experiment while keeping the soul of chicken inasal intact illustrates the beauty of Filipino cuisine. Serving and pairing suggestions. When it comes to enjoying chicken inasal, pairing it with the right sides and beverages elevates the entire experience. The harmony of flavors can transport you straight to the Philippines, combining tradition and taste in every bite. Let's explore some traditional sides and beverage suggestions to complete your meal. Traditional sides. Chicken inasal shines best when served alongside classic Filipino sides that enhance its flavors. Here are some traditional side dishes commonly enjoyed with this grilled delight. Garlic rice. This fragrant rice dish is a must-have. Its simple garlic infusion complements the grilled flavors without overshadowing them. Achara, a sweet and tangy pickled papaya salad. Achara adds a refreshing crunch. It's the perfect contrast to the savory chicken, brightening up your plate. Sinigang, a sour tamarind soup. Sinigang offers a delightful acidity that cuts through the richness of the chicken. The warm broth is perfect for warming up on cooler days. Ensaladang monchka, This mango salad with tomatoes and onions adds a zesty component to your meal. The sweetness of ripe mangoes balances the savory chicken beautifully. Spicy vinegar dip, often served as a condiment, this spicy dipping sauce enhances the chicken's flavor. A mixture of vinegar, chili, and garlic provides an extra kick that many can't resist. Steamed vegetables, a simple medley of steamed veggies, such as broccoli or green beans, keeps the meal light and adds color to your plate. Pairing chicken inasal with these sides not only enhances your dish but also embraces the Filipino way of sharing flavors through communal meals. Beverage pairings. Choosing the right drink can elevate your chicken inasal experience. Here are some beverage suggestions that work beautifully with the dish. Ice cold beer, a light lager or pale ale is an excellent match. The crispness cuts through the savory elements, refreshing your palate between bites. Calamansi juice, the refreshing citrus flavor of calamansi juice adds a local touch. You can serve it fresh or mixed with water for a delightful, tangy drink. Iced tea, a sweetened iced tea with a hint of lemon is a crowd pleaser. It provides a nice contrast to the bold flavors of the chicken. Soda, soft drinks are a common choice for many. A classic cola can balance the savory and sweet notes of chicken inasal well. Fresh coconut water, for those who prefer a non-sweet option, coconut water is hydrating and adds a tropical vibe to your meal. These pairings will enhance the overall dining experience, bringing the flavors of chicken inasal to life with every sip and bite. So, gather your friends and family, and enjoy a feast that celebrates the rich tradition of Filipino cuisine. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.